Guys, I think it's her other leg. Because she's trying to move, but it's the other leg that she's falling over on.
Most of you niggas my sons. Middle finger to my enemy. Riding around in that ghost. I'm what you niggas pretend to be. Pretend to be. Riding around in that ghost. I'm what you niggas pretend to be. Most of you niggas my sons. Middle finger to the enemy. Riding around in that ghost. I'm what you niggas pretend to be. So I hope the Lord bless them. Cause I don't know what's getting into me. I'ma just slide and come to your block. Just shoot the clip holding the infinity. So the 40 got a beam on it. Step out of line, yeah, the team on it. We can't go back to we came from. So that money, yeah, we fiend.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Neisha, and I'm back again with another video. So me and Chris decided to go on a walk to HEB, just to go. We ended up getting some cotton candy. On our way back home, guess what happened, guys? We seen something in the road, and look at it. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all better when I get in the house. I don't want it to, like, you know, fly away, but I think the wings either got hit or something, but it was twitching, and it's still moving. She's still moving. So I'm gonna go in the house. You know, ever since I was a little kid, I always wanted to be a veterinarian, and I don't know what God just placed before me, but I'm finna make it happen. Huh? Chris said he think catching a hummingbird is good luck. So hopefully I get some good luck, because I'm gonna help this little birdie. She's so cute. Like, her eyes and everything is so cute. So we're finna get to the house. We're on the way to the house, walking in the house. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I Google everything and figure out what I'm supposed to do. So guys, we're back in the house. We're just trying to figure out what was wrong with her. Her wings just was open. I'm trying to figure out if it's her wings or if it's her leg. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it twitching. Guys, I think it's her other leg. Because she's trying to move, but it's the other leg that she's falling over on. Okay. Then. I don't know what to do. So Chris gave the little guy some water. We found something on Google. It's actually very common to find a hummingbird. And this guy, he did it a couple of times, and he gave us 12 steps to follow. So we're going to get, that was regular water. So now we're going to put a little sugar in the water to give it, because they like nectar. So, you know, sugar water is the closest thing we have inside the house. Get back to y'all in a second. Guys, so that about does it for this video. Right now, I basically read Google, and it said put the bird in a dark place with a towel or a cover over it for it to be able to recover from all further ordeal, like of it falling or whatever happened to it. So they said cover it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then get some sugar water and put it up close to the dog beak. And Rocky over here wants to be a baby and trying to make all this noise while I'm recording this video. But be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, because this is my first time ever doing something like this. Like, I always used to, you know, hear about my teachers in science class. Like, they used to, in elementary school, I done heard about 2 teachers finding birds. Like, really, Rocky? Really? But I heard about 2 teachers finding birds in their neighborhood, and me to find one, like, okay, like, new experiences. Now I can say, like, I found a hummingbird, and, you know, got it back to good health. So, like I said, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. Like, comment down below some things that I can do, because I'm still learning. I'm still gonna be Googling. Like I said, I want to be a veterinarian when I was younger. So this right now is just like making me like, oh my gosh, I want to go back to school for it. But I'm really just, I know it's just a phase, just only because I found this bird. But bye, guys.
I found love in you.